Norton Tesla here with another quick tip. Today I'm going to go over all the interior cleaning products I use to keep this car looking clean and new. So first off is this 303 Aerospace Protectant. This is definitely my favorite. I use it all over except the seats. It cleans and protects, so you're not going to get any fading from the sun. The key is you want to apply every month or so, and you do not want to apply directly on the surface. You want to spray it into a cloth and then wipe and then dry off, or else you're going to get streaks. So I use this product all the time. I definitely recommend this one. It's awesome. So next thing is the seats. What I use for me personally, I find that soapy water just works the best. I've used baby wipes in the past, and I kind of keep those on hand just for emergencies in case something spills. But for me, a generally clean is good old-fashioned soapy water. Next up is Chemical Guy's Rubber Vinyl Matte Refresh. I use these for the floor mats, and it keeps them looking new. Like they just go right back to black. So definitely recommend this one. So next up is the screen. For me, I have a screen protector on, so I don't usually have to worry about it too much, but I just use a good old-fashioned microfiber cloth, wipes off all the fingerprints. If I did need to clean up some sort of like residue or anything like that, or gummy stuff, I'd use these disposable lens cleaning kits. They're good for camera lenses and computer screens. Good thing about these is also they work for the cameras on the exterior of the car if they get dirty from road or salt, stuff like that. So these are definitely good to have in your car. All right, there you go. So that's how I keep the interior clean. I hope you liked this video. I'll have the links for all the products in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Norton Tesla here with another quickly, and I can't talk because I'm just rambling on. So first thing is the 303 Aerospace. Your seats, it works amazing.